welcome back to my channel Beauty and Beyond. Today's video is gonna be about My Glam products. I know you love the brand. I love My Glam too. I have so many videos on my channel about My Glam because you guys seem to like it so much. So here is another one, and I'll be sharing my complete honest review. As you see, you will know because some products were really good, but some products I have bashed about them. So you have to watch till the end to know which products worked for me and which products did not work from me, and which I highly recommend you to buy, and the products which you should not waste your money on. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So the very first step is a moisturizer. We all know that moisturizer is very important even if you are of the oily skin family. So I'm using this moisturizer. This is from Plum and it is the new launch. This is the Plum Green Tea Oil Free Moisturizer. Now I have a complete review of this moisturizer where I have decoded the ingredients list of this product so that you know whether you should buy it or not. You need to go check it out because you will get a lot of information about the ingredients. It's a very beautiful moisturizer, very lightweight and good for oily skin. By the way, even the nail polish which I have on is from My Glam. Now you must be thinking why I'm using a moisturizer which is not from My Glam. Now I wanted this video to be a full My Glam video, but the thing is that whenever I try to order something from their website, everything is out of stock. I don't know why they do not restock products, because I wanted to get a moisturizer, primer, concealer. I wanted to get everything from them, but most of the products always remain out of stock, and I have waited long for this video and I do not want to wait anymore. So I just thought ki chalo jo bhi hai mere paas, I'll do this video with that. Now don't worry, I have all the main products, the main makeup products, so don't worry about that. I could not get any primer from My Glam, but we are gonna make this work. So this is the primer I'm using today. This is from Smashbox. It is their Vitamin Glow Primer. It has a very good citrusy smell, like orangey smell. I'm applying the primer only where I have pores and not anywhere else, and we'll just let this primer sit in for 20 to 30 seconds so that everything just gets absorbed. Next we'll be moving on to My Glam Spotlight Illuminating Liquid. This is how the packaging looks and this is the product. I know it reminds us of the iconic illuminating liquid which is so famous, everybody uses this. So this is how this one looks. Now I have to tell you something, that this is not my shade. As you can see, it's very dark, but I got it as a PR because I am a My Glam XO beauty content creator. You know, they have a campaign for everyone, so I got it as a PR. So they have not sent my shade, so this shade is actually really dark for me. Let me show you. See, this is how it looks, but just to show you, I will be trying this out. So I'll be putting drops of it on my face directly. You can either use illuminating liquids directly or you can mix it with your foundation. I'm using it directly because I want to show you the texture and the color. So I'll just buff it in with my beauty blender. Now frankly speaking, this is a very disappointing product. As you can see, there is nothing. I mean, you can feel a little bit of sheen in it, but when I apply the foundation you will see nothing. So it does nothing for me. I don't know if it is because of the shade I got, that I have the wrong shade, but I think whatever the shade might be, the formulation will be the same. So this is a product I would not recommend you to buy. There are many illuminating liquids out there which you can try, but this one does not work for me. Next we're going to be trying the foundation. This is their Clean Beauty Argan Oil BB foundation and I'm in the shade Oak, as you can see right here. So let me show you how it looks. It comes in this cute packaging and this is how it looks. Now this is also not my shade, this is really dark for me, but apart from that I have to tell you that the formulation of this I don't understand. Even the Pond's BB cream, which is actually a BB cream, that has a better coverage than this. Now they have written that it is an argan oil BB foundation, so I would be expecting something really like medium coverage, or at least better than the Pond's BB cream, right? Because this is kind of a foundation, but the coverage of this is really disappointing. Now I have to show you, then all you can believe, of course. So just see, it does nothing for me, and it is also not my shade. It is a shade darker than me, and this was also a PR thing. So of course in the PRs they generally send out shades which are like more, you know, in the generalized form, so that it can suit even the darker skin tones and even the lighter skin tones. So they just send out the medium shade whichever they have, and also they do not have a lot of shades, so you do not get a lot of options. Now coming to the foundation, I wouldn't have mind going out and buying another one of this if the formulation was good. But just look at this. Do you see anything? It does nothing, and it is not at all right or good for oily skin. So it's a big no for me. I will never reach out for this. Now the proof is right in front of you. It has done nothing for my skin. It is not even like a tinted cream. Tinted जो creams होते हैं या फिर जो moisturizers होता है, I mean primers होते हैं, उसका भी I think इससे ज़्यादा pigmentation होता है. Anyways, what I'll do is that I will go on. I have a lot of red marks, as you can see, so I'll just go on and use another foundation which is not from this brand. So I'm using this foundation. It's actually CoverPot foundation from Cuffs and Lashes. It has a very good coverage, and recently I'm really liking it. See, it has beautiful coverage. Now I have to tell you something. I am completely a blender girl. Blender के अलावा मेरा काम नहीं चलता है, but particularly for this foundation I like using a brush because that is how you get the most coverage out of it. So I'm using this brush from PAC. It is 005, and I'll just blend it in. Let me show you a trick today. Whenever you have redness like this, pimples, big pimple marks, redness, bumps, whatever you want to call it, you have a very easy solution to cover them up. What you got to do is take a red shade, like a red concealer or color corrector, whatever you want to call it, and just put it on your bump. Take your concealer and put it right above it. Now with a blender, just blend it in. Today I'm using this concealer. This is from Swiss Beauty. Now of course I wanted to get MyGlam का concealer, but if you check it now also, I think they are out of stock. हमेशा मैं बहुत दिनों से, I think एक महीने से चेक कर रही हूँ, out of stock ही है. और अगर मैं जैसे कि अगर मैं फाउंडेशन करना चाहूँ तो वो क्या होता है कि मेरा जो शेड है वही वाला स्टॉक में नहीं रहता. दे जस्ट डू नॉट रीस्टॉक थिंग्स. आई डू नॉट अंडरस्टैंड वाई. दे जस्ट डोंट वांट टू सेल और व्हाट, आई डोंट नो, बट या दैट इज़ द सैड ट्रुथ. सो आई एम यूजिंग दिस स्विस ब्यूटी कंसीलर विच इज़ सो फेमस, बट yesterday I used it for the same video. कल भी मैंने यही वाला वीडियो शूट करने का कोशिश किया था, पूरा लुक कर भी लिया था, but I did not like how it turned out. So that is why I'm shooting it again today. And yesterday भी मैंने यही कंसीलर यूज़ किया था. I did not like it. I don't know what the hype is all about, but it's like an okay concealer. But ये बहुत ज़्यादा क्रीज करता है. I don't know I have oily skin उसके वजह से or not, but बहुत ज़्यादा क्रीज करता है. One thing I have to say about this concealer is that it's pretty bright. Like, I like my under eye area. It has brightened it up so much. Next product we're going to be using is this. This is their MyGlam Stay Defined Liquid Liner plus HD Brow Powder, and this is how they look. It is actually a 2-in-1 product. So it's a black liquid liner, and then on the other side you have a brow powder, which is interesting. Yeah, this is the shade. It's a very deep brown kind of a shade. I like it. It suits my eyebrows. So I'm going to be doing my eyebrow with it, and let me tell you the shade which I have. The shade is 01 Walnut and Ebony. So what you have to do is that take a spoolie, brush your eyebrow like this, and then go in with the powder directly. You might want to start from the middle, क्योंकि जब हम लोग इसको पहली बार यूज़ करते हैं इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट रहता है, सो सबसे ज़्यादा इंटेंसिटी हमको मिडिल में चाहिए होता है, और यहाँ से तो बिल्कुल स्टार्ट मत कीजिए, यू विल मेस इट अप. सो स्टार्ट इट फ्रॉम द मिडिल. Don't worry, I'll just fix it. So you see, just because this is an eyebrow powder and not something else, it is very easy to clean up. जैसे कि मेरे यहाँ पे थोड़ा गलती हो गया था, तो मैंने बस एक बार इसको स्वाइप किया अपने फिंगर से and it just got cleaned up. Moving on to bronzing. Now for that I have this Pose HD Bronzer Duo. It has two bronzers right here. This is one of my favorite products. I'm so happy that I bought this, and if you follow me on Instagram or if you follow me here and you have seen my tutorials, you already know कि मैं कितना बार already इसको use कर चुकी हूँ. I love this one. This is the only bronzer which I use over and over again. So I'm in the shade, let me see, I'm in a shade Cinnamon Terracotta, and it has two shades which will be perfect for every skin type. So this is kind of a lighter brown and this is a darker brown. What I like to do is that first I bronze with the lighter brown and then I move on with the darker one. So we're going to be doing the same. I'm taking the lighter brown and I'll place it just below my cheekbone. So once you are done with this kind of a line, what you got to do is that blend it upwards. कभी इसको नीचे नहीं लेके जाना और कभी इस लाइन को एकदम यहाँ तक नहीं लेके आना है. Just stop it midway, जहाँ तक आपका cheek bone है, and then keep blending it upwards. Just see how beautifully it blends in. इसमें ज़्यादा effort भी नहीं लगता, easily blend हो जाता है, बहुत affordable है. This is a product I highly recommend you to go for. I think इसके दो शेड्स है, तो आपको जो शेड सही लगे you can go for that. Now once I'm happy with how this looks, what I'll do is that मैं इसका जो डार्कर शेड है उसको लूँगी एंड जहाँ पे मैंने ये लाइटर शेड प्लेस किया है वहीं पे मैं ये डार्कर शेड भी प्लेस करूँगी ताकि और ज़्यादा ये डिफाइंड लगे. You see एक अलग सा ग्रेडियंट आ गया है, so I really like to mix both the shades. So MyGlam's blush is another of my favorite product. I love it so much. I love the strawberry blush they have. This is their MyGlam K Play strawberry flavored blush, and this is how they look. Just look at this beautiful designing. I love it. And they also have mirrors on most of their product, which is another point which I really like. You see, it gives a very beautiful pink blush effect, which I like so much. Now moving to a part I know you guys have been waiting for, which is the eyeshadow part, and for that I have the Manish Malhotra 9-in-1 eyeshadow palette. Let me show you how gorgeous this is. These are the shades I have with me. It has a beautiful color story which has some purple, some green, and the golden shade in the middle. Oh my god, this one has my heart. So I really like it, and also it has a black. We all need a black and a brown, for a smoky eye if we are going out and we just need to do a quick smoky eye. This palette will come really handy, and it also has a mirror. I told you most of MyGlam products have mirror on them, which I really like. But what I have to say is that the price point. Now the price of this palette, which has only 9 shades, and I don't think the shades are like really very thick, so ज़्यादा बार हम लोग इसको use नहीं कर पाएंगे. The price of that is 1850. That I mean I understand that this is a designer palette, but whatever the price is like too high. Anyway, I have bought it for only 150 rupees. If you have been following me, if you are subscribed to me, you already know मैंने पोस्ट किया था यूट्यूब पे कि कैसे इसको 150 रुपीज़ में आप अवेल कर सकते हो. एक कोड था, आई थिंक वो कोड अभी अवेलेबल नहीं है, सो आई डोंट नो इफ़ यू हैव मिस द चांस और नॉट. बट अगर ऐसा कुछ फिर से आए, आई एम श्योर कि आएंगे, क्योंकि वो लोग चाहते हैं कि उनका स्टॉक क्लियर हो जाए. आई डोंट नो वाई, but yeah, I know that ऐसा कुछ ऑफर फिर से आएगा. So if you want to stay updated for that, you have to keep me subscribed, of course. So we're gonna start with the look. इसमें जो grayish bluish kind of shade है in the lowest row and in the middle, मैं वो वाला shade यूज़ करूँगी अपने outer corner पे. I have to say it has very good pigmentation. So now that I'm happy with how this looks, what I'm gonna do is that जो brown shade है right here, I'm taking that brown shade to blend this color. So yeah, it took a little bit of time to blend. आपको थोड़ा ज़्यादा work करना पड़ेगा blend करने के लिए, but I'm really liking the pigmentation and everything of this palette. Now taking this greenish kind of a shade, shimmer shade, what I'll do is that I'll place it here and also on the inner corner. I have to say I'm really impressed with the shimmers as well. I mean, they have really high pigmentation, no fallouts, really digging it. The best part is that even with a brush, they apply as easily as it would apply with my hand. And in the middle part, I'll apply this purple kind of a shade right here. And just out of curiosity, I want to use my fingers for this and see how the pigmentation works. I think it's the same whether you use your fingers or the brush. It has kind of a similar pigmentation. Now on the lower lash line, I'll be using the same grey kind of a shade I have used on my upper crease. Don't drag it way till the inner corner, just keep it halfway. And to blend this, I'll be using the brown shade. Taking a kajal, wherever you have this shade, just apply the kajal till there. Now for the inner corner, I'll be using this shade, which is kind of a golden shimmer shade, so it will be very good for my inner corners. You see, it looks very popping. For the eyeliner, I have two options. One is this, which is My Glam Wheelie Precision Eyeliner and Stylist. Let me show you how special this is. So this comes in this kind of a wheel shape so that it becomes very easy to draw your liner. But I am not really very comfortable using this, so I'll just stick to my natural, usual eyeliner. So I'm using this one for my eyeliner, which is the 2-in-1 product I already showed you. It also has this brow powder. This is the tip of the liner, so it becomes very easy to draw your liner. I'm not going in for a wing liner or anything fancy. I'll just keep it normal. Done with the lashes, but I was so excited to do my eye look, I totally forgot to use the highlighter. So the highlighter I'm using is from My Glam Pose HD Highlighter Duo. It also has two highlighter in it, and I am in the shade Champagne and Rose Gold. So it has like two shades. One is Champagne and another is Rose Gold. Champagne is more lighter one and Rose Gold is more goldeny one. Anyways, in my box or whatever container, everything is mixed. So whatever I applied is the same. It gives a very subtle glow, which I like so much. Also, I have to say one thing. I feel that fan brushes are really overrated. I can never make them work. अगर simply मुझे कोई brush दे दिया जाए, I can make it work so well. But this fan brushes, I'm not a big fan of. You see, we get so much more pigmentation with this kind of brushes. I always apply my highlighter with these brushes. So today I'm using My Glam Lit Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Swinger. It's a beautiful nude brown shade. My Glam has launched so many new lipsticks and I have review on all of their new lipsticks. If you want, you can go check them out. I have swatches and reviews of them. So I'll leave the link on the screen so that you can check them out. Thank you for watching till the end, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, it would mean a lot. And I'll meet you next week with another such interesting video. Take care till then. Tata.